Hey guys, it's Pandora. I am back, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. Want to just give you a quick update on the Abundance Network. Kind of took a pause for the calls because of growing pains. You know, it's a new program and everything. So they had a few growing pains, but everything looks like it's back up and running now. I have a new number one. So I want to come back to my subscribers and show you my new number here is 570-339-9338, okay? So they've changed from Twilio, okay? No more Twilio with Abundance Network, okay? So it's been switched over now, so we're good to go. And I will start back promoting this. I've got a lot of great things in store for people that join me with it. But this is a SMS system, okay, an automated phone marketing system. This thing, when they say automated, they mean automated from beginning to end, okay? So you don't have to worry about talking to people. If you're looking for something simple and easy, especially my newbies that's kind of afraid to talk to people and don't want to set up any systems, no autoresponders, any of those things, okay, this is for you guys. It pays $100 commissions, okay, every time somebody buys this system from you. It's a great way to start earning money, okay, online, okay? You can do this very easily, okay? You just, of course, you got to market it. That's the whole key, okay? So I'm going to show you some things you can do with it. I've got some new things that I'm going to be putting out and just kind of sharing with people to do little simple things, guys. But this is perfect for a newbie, okay? Because all you're going to need to do is share this number. You can do it various ways. Okay, we've got some postcards. We've got some graphics that you can use. So lots of ways you can do it. But this is perfect even for my a little more advanced people. A great way to earn some passive income, sharing the number and let the system do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to worry about explaining things to people. This is perfect. Abundance Network, okay? So again, there's my number. Go ahead and check it out. But want to show you, you've got to go in your back office and set up the new system, guys. So if you haven't done that, make sure you log in and let me take you over there real quick. Okay, so you click on SMS, your setup. Click on set up your system and it takes you here. So there was an option in there and I just wanted to get my number back up and running quickly. So there was a $10 option, a $25 option, and I remember they went up higher, okay? So you go back there, you've got to get your credits because you got to have credits to make this work. That's what's going to make it work, okay? Credits, got to have that. So every time somebody dials your number, it uses a credit, okay? So, and the whole texting platform is using a credit each time it's, sending information. So, but I just want to get this set up real quick so I can shoot this video. So right here, as you can see, everything is set up now. Okay, but when you log in, you may see that you're incomplete. It's going to show you incomplete because you need to go back here and set this up again. Okay, so just follow these steps 1 through 4, and it's going to assign you a new number. Okay, so you got to go back here and get your new number if you haven't done that. All right, but for those of you that's just getting started perfectly, you're on time, just click that, I keep saying click the link, guys. Forget, call the number. Okay, let me go back. Let me let you call my number. Call the number. I click the link. Click the link is just automatic habit because we're so used to sharing links and websites, right? So we don't have to do that over here. All you need to do is share your number. So here's my number. So go to that number. Go ahead and go through the process. You will see how simple it is. It's going to walk your prospects through the whole entire setup without you ever being involved in this thing, okay? So, perfect system from beginning to end, automatic setup, autopilot income. This is the way to go. You earn $100, guys, every time someone buys a system from you. You're going to pass up your second and fourth sale, okay? Everybody does that. That's what's going to give you some leverage in this program. But believe it or not, this $100 commissions can go wild. Okay, I have another program where that happened when I first got started with it, and it's still going strong, but it's a great price point. Okay, it's a lower ticket, but you can make a lot of $100 commissions if you promote this thing right. Okay, so like I said, I've got a few things that I want to put out here to show people how they can market on a budget. Okay, and I'm going to share that with you. But another tip, not a tip, but a bonus I'm going to give out for everybody that joins me. I'm going to give you some leads. Okay, I'm going to give you some names, phone numbers, email addresses, and mailing addresses for some people, so you can reach out to them. If you don't want to talk to them, you can email them or text them. Okay, so that's a great way to kind of get started. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you don't have to pick up the phone, but you can text them, guys. That's simple. You can text them, get you a Google Voice number, text them there, and send some information, and we'll have like some little sample text messages you can send to people and kind of communicate with them. So I'm going to give you 100. Okay, so when you join me in this, I'll give you 100 of those. Or if you want to mail postcards, I'll give you 100 leads. Okay, so that you can get those on peel and stick labels. I'll mail those to you. But if you want to actually reach out to some people, it'll be one or the other. You decide. Okay, if you want to reach out to some people via text or email, and with that, you're still going to get the addresses, guys. So I'm still going to give you the address with the other one. Okay, so I'll email those to you, though. If you want the ones where you get the name, address, phone number, email address, all that, you still will have the address. So I'm going to give you 100, okay, of those, and you'll still have the address. Or if you just want peel and stick labels that's already on the labels, I can do that too. But you're going to get 100 to get you started. So I want to get your get some traction in your business so you can see how this thing can flourish. Okay, so with that being said, that's all I've got. I just wanted you to know I've got a new number. Abundance Network is everything is going smooth now. They've gotten rid of Twilio, so we're all good to go here. We got the green light, guys, so let's go, let's go. So if you want to join me in this, go ahead and call my number, get started. Let's get this party started. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys and see you on the inside, guys. You have a blessed day.